Welcome back to another exciting tutorial where we'll explore the realm of event options in EventYob. This is where you can enhance your attendees' experience by offering various event options, such as meal options, exclusive experiences, or special services. In this tutorial, we'll show you how to set up event options on eventyob.com to provide a seamless booking experience for your attendees. To get started, navigate to the Event Options page after creating your event. You can find a direct link that takes you there, or you can access it through the View Event page by clicking on the Controls drop-down menu and selecting Manage Options. Now, let's dive into the fields you'll need to fill in when creating an event option. Name. Enter a descriptive name for the event option, such as VIP Experience or Photo Opportunity with Performer. You can even include meal options like Vegetarian Buffet or 3-course meal. Make sure the name clearly communicates the additional feature or service being offered. Usage count. This field indicates how many times the event option can be used across all tickets. For example, if you set the usage count to 100 and offer the event option for both general admission and VIP tickets, the first 100 attendees who select the event option will be able to access it. Usage limit. Set the maximum number of times an individual attendee can select the event option. If you set the usage limit to 1, each attendee can only select the event option once. Price. Specify the price of the event option if there is an additional fee associated with it. If the event option is included in the ticket price, you can set the price to 0. Applies to. This field determines which tickets the event option is available for. You have the flexibility to offer the event option only for specific ticket types, seating sections, or any other relevant criteria. By setting up event options, such as meal options like Vegetarian Buffet or Unique Experiences, you can provide your attendees with a range of choices and enhance their overall event experience. That wraps up our tutorial on event options. Stay tuned for more videos where we'll explore other exciting features of EventYob. See you in the next video.